Welcome to Weapon Hub. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic firearms in modern history, the AR-15 rifle. Known for its versatility, reliability, and widespread use, the AR-15 has become a staple in civilian, military, and law enforcement circles. Originally developed in the late 1950s by Eugene Stoner, the AR-15 was designed to be a lightweight, air-cooled, magazine-fed rifle that could fire rapidly with minimal recoil. Over the decades, the platform has evolved significantly, spawning countless variations and becoming a symbol of modern firearm engineering. The AR-15 is often recognized for its modular design, which allows users to easily swap out parts and customize the rifle to suit different needs. From barrels and handguards to stocks and optics, every component of the AR-15 can be modified or upgraded. This adaptability makes it a favorite among gun enthusiasts, hunters, competitive shooters, and tactical professionals alike. Chambered most commonly in .223 Remington or 5.56 NATO, the AR-15 offers a good balance between stopping power, accuracy, and manageable recoil. Despite its military-inspired look, the AR-15 is classified as a semi-automatic rifle, meaning it fires one round per trigger pull. This distinguishes it from military rifles like the M16 or M4, which are capable of fully automatic or burst fire modes. The civilian AR-15 is widely used for home defense, sport shooting, and even hunting medium-sized game, thanks to its precision and range. Another factor that contributes to the AR-15's popularity is the vast aftermarket support available. Thousands of manufacturers produce parts and accessories tailored to the AR platform, making it one of the most customizable rifles on the market. Whether you're building a lightweight competition gun or a rugged tactical setup, there's a configuration for almost every application. The rifle's design also promotes ease of maintenance. Field stripping in AR-15 is straightforward and requires no special tools, which is ideal for cleaning and upkeep. This simplicity, combined with the rifle's durability and performance, explains why so many professionals and hobbyists trust the AR-15 in demanding environments. However, it's important to note that the AR-15 has also been at the center of political and legal debates due to its use in high-profile incidents. This has led to discussions and legislation in various regions about ownership, magazine capacity, and specific features like pistol grips or adjustable stocks. Despite this, the AR-15 continues to be one of the most popular and influential firearms in America. In conclusion, the AR-15 rifle stands as a testament to innovation in firearm technology. Its blend of precision, flexibility, and ease of use has made it a top choice for a wide range of users. Whether you're interested in its history, performance, or future potential, the AR-15 remains a defining piece of modern weaponry. Thanks for watching Weapon Hub.